Hi there! Let me show you how I made this custom order. I've had the leaf armbracers in my shop for a while and my customer wanted ones with an apple. These armbracers were an accessory for his D&D character, which is an archer, and he wanted an apple with an arrow through it. You've already seen me trace the pattern, cut the leather out, bevel the edges, wet the leather and now trace the pattern onto the leather. So now I'm using my swivel knife to cut out the design. In this design only the apple is traced. All the branches or leaf veins are fully free-handed. When I've cut out the design, I start beveling the edges. And with my little spoon tool I push down all around the leaf veins and apple. With my swivel knife I add a few more details around the veins. And now it's time to paint. I'm using an alcohol-based ink over here and I made this mossy green color. I add at least 2 coats on the front and 1 coat on the back. And once this dried completely, I come in with my airbrush to add some black around the veins and the edges. And with some acrylic-based paint I make the veins dark. And the apple gets a touch of burgundy red. And with a little highlight in the arrows of the feather, the painting work is done. Now I seal all the paint in with this acrylic-based finish. This needs 2 coats. To make the veins pop even more, I add antique in all the crevices. And with a paper towel I wipe away all the excess, so it only stays in all the deepest crevices. Only one more finish layer to seal it all in and all the painting is done. Now onto punching some holes for all the rings. So I have a hack where I use my burnishing tool to push in all the rings. This hurts way less than pushing it all in with my fingers. Now I'm setting all the rings I put in. To shape these arm bracers so that they fit the arms, I wet the back and form it with my fingers until this shape is acquired. I have to be quite rough and force it so that it will stay in this shape. And once this is all dry, I can put in all the elastics. So I go through the holes and then finish it up with a knot. And with that last step, these arm bracers are completely done. I really liked how these turned out. That little apple adds so much personality to these arm bracers. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider following me. Stay tuned for more making of and behind the scenes and market videos for my work and my business. Thank you!